Breaking news. Yes, it's a breaking news. We are achieving 1,000 points only in futures and options, and that is weekly. Yes, my dear friends, we made 1,029 points in last week, even in the sideways market. That's the breaking news. All the recordings are available in my YouTube channel. Please have a look. That's the proof. Let me walk you through. On 22nd of April 2022, the market was sideways. We got two trades, one in options and another one was futures. We made 100 points. On 25th of April, we got two trades in options and we made 524 points. And on 26th of April, we got one good trade. The market was dead sideways, but we were able to make 48 points. And on 27th of April, we got two solid trade, 277 points. We made 277 points in two trades. And on Thursday expiry, on 28th of April, we got one good trade, 80 points. 5 days of trading, we made 1,029 points in a week in futures and option. My dear friend, this is our goal to achieve 1,000 points every week. So, my dear friend, are you a full-time trader or a part-time trader? If you want to start your day with profit and make consistent income, then you're most welcome to join me in live trading session. Just click on the link below and start your journey of profits now. Hello traders, I'm Ramesh. Trade with me live from 9 to 10:30 a.m. every day. Together, we will try to make 1,000 points weekly. Join the Profit Club. You are just one step closer to your profit journey. Register now. See you tomorrow in live.